Okay. As a data analyst, you'll join a team that analyzes research data for anomalies and present findings to people within and outside the company. A graduate with an eye for detail and love of working with figures would be ideal. Confident communication matters are also vital. So let's go. Well, for research, what can I understand first from this sentence? I can understand that the sentence is listing the requirements or the qualities needed for a job, right? It mentions like we need one with an eye. That means he can see he can see the details really well, love of working, and with other qualities like how the person speaks and interacts and so on. Okay, let's see now. When we go to research, I'm talking here about data analysis and analyzing data. So in this case, I can say research. Yes, research is connected to data, so it is correct. And the outcome of the research, when I analyze the data, is called finding. Yes, what I found, so it's used correctly. Someone has love of working. Yes, actually, it's a requirement, and it is very important as love working is matches the requirement actually. So I only have one left actually, which is matters. You know, communication matters. Like matters usually means like issues or topics. But in this case, what do I mean by communication matters? In English, we don't really call it communication matters when I describe a personality or a person quality. It's supposed to be called communication skill, not communication matter or communication skills. We call it communication skills actually when we talk about the ability to speak and write. When we describe a person's skills, we don't really call it that confident communication matters. No, we call it confident communication skills. So communication skills here is like the phrase that we use professionally in English. So matters here is used incorrectly. Incorrectly used because we don't call it communication matters, we call it communication skills. How did I know? It's from the meaning actually of the word matters. I cannot really call it communication matters. And if you're familiar with English phrases, this is one of the phrases that we use frequently, communication skills and so on.